Hello guys and girls, welcome back to my channel and it's Sayed. So guys, today I'm going to show you my birthday party look. So by the way, मैं birthday अपनी कर तो नहीं रही हूँ. I'm not going to celebrate my birthday party. I'm just going to cut the cake with my family. That's why I have done this look. I hope that you all like this look. So guys, first of all, hit that red subscribe button for more videos if you want to watch my videos again and again. And I'll upload makeup tutorials, vlogs, fun vlogs and challenges and face routine and my skincare, blah blah blah, and hair care also. So I'm from Hyderabad. My name is Syed. I think you all don't know that where I'm from. So I'm from Hyderabad, Pakistan. So you will be shocked, I know. So I'm from Hyderabad and this is my final look and I hope that you will like this look. If you want to watch this video, then please watch this video till the end and then you will know that how I have done this full look. Okay, don't skip any scene. Okay, let's go and let's watch my birthday party look. So guys, this is my final look. I hope that you all enjoyed this video. So yeah, I was trying to make this like very simple, so I think this is a simple look. I have just put it on some glitter, I mean some highlighter under my eyes, so that's why it's looking very glam, but it's not glam makeup. This is very classic makeup. I think it's outing kind of makeup, I think. So I don't know, done a classic makeup or not. I really don't know what's this makeup called, but I think my eyes are very classic. You can see this is very classic. Someone just said to me to make a very classic kind of nude kind of look, so I think this is a very classic and nude kind of look. So yeah, and let me tell you one thing, that my color is just going on. I think मेरे बालों का कलर बिल्कुल उतर रहा है अभी, so I think बहुत गंदी बात है ये. You can see my white hairs right now. Right here I have a lot of white hairs, and so you can see from here. तो आपको पता है आज मेरी नेक जो है मेरी फेस से बिल्कुल डार्क लग रही है. ये तो प्रॉब्लम मेरे साथ होता रहता है. बाय द वे मेरे हैंड्स, आई थिंक मेरे हैंड्स भी थोड़े डार्क लग रहे हैं. ये मेरा ही शेड है बाय द वे, बट आई डोंट नो व्हाई इट्स लुकिंग वेरी चेंज. सो या गाइज, दिस इज़ माई बर्थडे लुक. आज मेरी बर्थडे है तो इसलिए मैंने बर्थडे के लिए अपना ये लुक बनाया है. And yeah, this is my birthday look. So yeah, I hope that you all enjoyed this video. Bye bye, take care and see you in the next video, in the next makeup tutorial. अगर आपको कोई और वीडियो चाहिए then please comment down below that हमें ये वीडियो चाहिए. आपको जो भी बोलना है तो मुझे कमेंट डाउन करके बताएं. Then I'll show you any kind of look. जो भी आपको लुक बताना है बोलना है मुझे बोल दीजिए, कमेंट कर दीजिए, तो मैं आपको बता दूँगी. So yeah, take care, bye bye, and follow me on TikTok and also on Instagram, and also hit that red subscribe button for more videos. So yeah guys, bye bye.